Understanding Sheet Composting, a simple guide for beginners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting topic in the world of gardening: sheet composting. This method is not only beneficial for your garden but also a great way to recycle and reduce waste. So, let's dive into what sheet composting is all about. Sheet composting, also known as lasagna gardening, is a method of composting where different types of organic materials are layered, like a lasagna, directly on the ground. This method is a simple, no-till approach to enriching your soil. It involves layering brown materials, like dried leaves, straw, or newspaper, and green materials, like kitchen scraps, grass clippings, or manure, in alternating layers. Over time, these layers break down, creating a nutrient-rich compost that improves soil health. Sheet composting offers several benefits. Improves soil quality. It enhances the soil structure, making it more fertile and better at retaining water. Easy and low maintenance. No need for turning the compost pile. Eco-friendly. Helps in recycling kitchen and garden waste, reducing landfill contribution. Cost-effective. Utilizes readily available materials, saving money on garden amendments. To start sheet composting, follow these simple steps. 1. Choose a location. Pick a spot in your garden where you want to improve the soil. 2. Prepare the ground. Mow or trim the area if it's grassy. 3. Layer brown materials. Start with a layer of brown materials like dried leaves. 4. Add green materials. Add a layer of green materials like vegetable scraps. 5. Repeat the layers. Continue alternating between brown and green layers. 6. Top layer. Finish with a layer of brown materials. Optionally, cover with a layer of soil or mulch. 7. Let it decompose. The composting process will take several months. Balance your layers. Aim for a good balance between green and brown materials. Moisture is key. Keep the layers moist but not too wet. Size matters. Chop or shred larger pieces to speed up the composting process. Patience pays off. Give it time to break down into rich compost. Sheet composting is a wonderful and simple method to enrich your garden's soil while being eco-friendly. We hope this video helps you start your own sheet composting journey at home. Remember, gardening is not only about growing plants, it's about growing yourself too. Happy gardening and happy learning!